Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. Gonna do a video today on one of our Glock frames that we stippled and then Cerakoted after. Came up with a really cool kind of overlapping rose pattern that we laser etched into both sides, and then took the frame into the booth, sprayed it with robin's egg, and then went back with black and did a kind of a battle-wear distressing look on it. Be a couple of pictures at the end. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil needs. Have a great day.